Hello, today I will review August Home Wi-Fi Smart Lock, 4th generation, fits your existing deadbolt in minutes, matte black. About item. August Smart Locks fit on the inside of your door, making your regular deadbolt smarter, more secure and way more convenient. Keep your keys just in case, but you won't need them. Forget key copying. Quickly and easily share permanent, scheduled or temporary access to your home with friends, family and other people you trust, and never put a key under the doormat again. Even if you're not so handy, installation only takes about 10 minutes. August locks fit perfectly over most single-cylinder deadbolts and aren't much bigger than your original thumb turn. August Wi-Fi Smart Lock is able to auto-unlock as you get home for totally hands-free unlocking, optional. With auto lock and door sense, your home automatically secures once your door is closed, or after a set amount of time. Thanks for watching. You can get best price and discount from link in description.